Hi, this is Preeti Khare, an internationally certified relationship coach. In the last video, I talked to you about how to build trust. In this video, I will take you through the steps of rebuilding a trust if it is broken. Most of the times, the trust that is broken or the heart that has been hurt does not get mended because of the following reasons. Number one, either one or both the partners resign too quickly in the process. Number two, there's a lot of fear to come forward and talk about issues that bring back conflict. Number three, there's no interest left in mending the relationship, and people think that it is the way it is and there is no point actually working towards it. If you are one of those who really seriously thinks about their relationship, where they see a lot of potential and don't know how to come forward and build the trust that they have lost in the relationship, here are few steps that one can take to rebuild the trust that they have lost in a relationship. The first and the foremost is to set aside a time to talk. Number two, naming the feelings that you experience during the time of breach of trust without blaming or criticizing. Number three, listening to your partner without judgment. Number four, each partner describing their perspective and discussing the feelings that were triggered by that incident. Number five, both the partners assessing how they contributed to the incident and holding themselves accountable. And last and not the least, both of them developing a plan to prevent the further breaches of trust from occurring. If you have any issues related to the trust and do not understand how to build it or how to rebuild it, connect with me.